How to remove object from photo in Capcut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove object from photo in Capcut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Capcut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside, then what you can do is just tap on edit photo option. And with that, you'll be prompted to the library section. Now, from here, you can simply scroll down and select the photo that you want to edit. And now, here, once you have selected the photo, then what you can do is just scroll through the option, and there you'll see the option labeled as AI remove. So, simply tap on it. And now, here, once you tap on it, you'll see three options, that is quick brush, brush, and erase. So here, if you want to erase, let's say if you want to erase this person totally, then what you can do is just tap on erase, and after that you can simply mark this person, and once you're done marking it, then what you can do is just tap on remove, and it will remove that person from here. And that's it. That's how you can remove object from photo in CapCut. But remember, to remove the photo from CapCut, you must take the premium. So it's only possible if you have the credits on your CapCut account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.